Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to leave a review on Thumbtack for the professionals you have worked with. Now if you want to leave a review on Thumbtack for the professional you have worked with and you just want to give them the review after they have done the work, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video to the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The thing is that you just need to install the Thumbtack app on a device, or you may also go on the Thumbtack website and make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you are using Thumbtack app, then you just need to open the Thumbtack app, and this is the home page of Thumbtack where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the various options. So from here you just need to click on the option of plans, and from here you need to click on the option of my projects or completed project from here. So you need to click on the option of completed projects and you want to select the professionals or the business which you have hired and click on the option to view their project details. And after you are on the project page, you will see the option of leave a review or rate the service. Now you can give the star ratings from 1 to 5 and also comment down about the experience with the professionals. So after writing all of your feedback, you may click on the option of submit or post review button to finalize. So currently you won't be able to see any projects on my screen because I have not hired any professionals for it. So that's it. That's how you can leave the review for professionals on Thumbtack. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.